This is going to be a short one today because I'm headed out on a trip, and that means I've been thinking about my charging tech. And you know what? For the first year in a long time, I'm not changing anything because this is the perfect EDC charging setup for all of my devices. No matter what they are, this thing gets it all done. So let's talk about it. At the core of the setup is a power bank, of course, from INU. INIU. We're going to call them INIU. We're going to call it that. I will link this down below. Buying battery packs from brands you don't recognize is always hit or miss, but I have been using this for a couple of years now and haven't had any issues. And what I love about this is that it, one, has a built-in USB-C cable, just a short little guy there that folds up to the side, and two, it has a AC adapter in it. It's also got a secondary USB port here. And what this means, plus a USB-C up top. My goodness, there's so many features. What this means is that I no longer have to bring a charging brick and a battery backup. And it also cuts back on the number of cables that I need to carry. So, speaking of cables, the only cable that I'm carrying, other than the built-in USB-C one, is a USB-A to Lightning cable. For my phone, it's a little bit older, so if you're using a newer iPhone or if you're on Android, swap this out for a USB-C cable and everything will work exactly the same. We're going to talk about the exact setup I use during like a weekend trip or a week-long trip, whatever, towards the end of the video. The last thing we've got here is an Apple Watch charger. Now, I use an Apple Watch for sleep tracking. I've been wearing it a little bit more lately, and so most of the chargers are such a pain to lug around, but this one sticks to the back of my Apple Watch and has a USB-C input as well as a Lightning input. That means that this is going to work on either the Lightning cable or the included USB-C cable. And to wrap everything up, I've got a bongo tie, which is just with a cow hitch onto the end of my cable. And I can, of course I can't do this on camera, it's going to take forever, but I can slip this onto to the battery bank like so, slips in a back pocket in my backpack, and everything travels with me on the daily, but also on longer trips. Now, this thing is awesome for day-to-day use. It's slim enough I can slip it into my back pocket and use the cable to run to my phone in the front pocket. If I'm at like a coffee shop on the computer and I need to top up the charge on that, I can just plug this straight in with that USB-C cable. I don't need to be sitting next to an outlet or anything. But where this really shines is on longer trips. The fact that this has the built-in AC adapter makes this super convenient. It means I need to carry one less thing on trips, whether that's on an airplane or road trip, whatever. One less thing is always welcome. I can plug this in at the beginning of the weekend or the week, and this will always stay charged. By the way, we've got that battery indicator there. This will stay topped up throughout the week. I can just grab it and go if I'm going to be away for a longer period of time. And then I can just leave the Apple Watch charger dangling from that USB-C, throw my Apple Watch on there whenever I need throughout the day or at the end of the day. And then we've got our phone charger here as well. And I can just swap these things around. That Apple Watch being both Lightning and USB-C means I can go between cables. If I need to charge my laptop for a little while, I can still charge my Apple Watch on the Lightning or vice versa. I can switch things around very, very easily. And then when I head out for the day and I'm going to be gone for a while, I can just grab the cable and the battery bank. That bongo tie, again, just secures everything together. You know, this isn't the most exciting EDC stuff, but oh my gosh, is it one of the most impactful things I have done for my EDC is finding a decent battery pack that does those three things in one: charging remotely, charging through AC, and also having that built-in cable. Just makes things so much more simple for both everyday and for travel. One caveat I will mention, I believe if you do not press that button, it won't start charging your devices. It does do pass-through charging as far as I can tell, but you got to press that button. Worth noting so you don't, sleep through your alarm when your phone dies on a business trip. That's it for this week. We're going to head out now on this trip, and we will be back by the time you are watching this. See you in the next video.